Hey kids! Welcome back to our amazing animal adventure channel. Today, we're going to dive into the wild and wonderful world of wolves. Are you ready to learn some super cool and interesting facts? Let's get started. Fact number 1. Wolves live and hunt in packs. These packs are like wolf families, and they work together to take down large prey like deer and elk. Teamwork makes the dream work. Fact number 2. Wolves howl to communicate. They use their howls to talk to each other, mark their territory, and call the pack together. Each wolf has its own unique howl, like a fingerprint. Fact number 3. Wolves have super senses. They have excellent hearing and can smell prey from over a mile away. These amazing senses help them survive in the wild. Fact number 4. Wolves are strong and fast. They can run up to 40 miles per hour and travel great distances to find food. These powerful animals are built for endurance and speed. Fact number 5. Wolf packs have leaders called alphas. The alpha male and female are the strongest and most experienced wolves. They lead the pack, make decisions, and help raise the pups. Fact number 6. Wolves can live in many different habitats. From forests and tundras to mountains and deserts, wolves are adaptable and can thrive in various environments. Fact number 10. Many wolf species are endangered and need our help. Conservation efforts are important to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. Let's all do our part to help the wolves. There are so many amazing things about wolves, each with their own unique abilities and characteristics. Remember to always appreciate and protect our wild and wonderful friends. Thanks for joining us on this wolf adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun animal facts. See you next time.